Hello everyone, happy November 10th. Today we celebrate vanilla cupcakes, accounting, and the joy of sweet balance. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Vanilla Cupcake Day, a fluffy celebration of classic sweetness. A great gift could be a cupcake baking kit, a vanilla extract sampler, or a cupcake-themed candle. What's your favorite cupcake topping? Let's frost the comments. Next, it's International Accounting Day, honoring the number crunchers who keep things balanced. A thoughtful gift could be a finance-themed notebook, a quirky calculator, or a CPA Pride mug. Know an accountant who deserves a shout-out? Let's tally up the love in the comments.
Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later.
And finally, it's Forget-Me-Not Day. A heartfelt reminder to reconnect and remember those we care about. A sweet gift could be a memory journal, a forget-me-not flower kit, or a personalized keepsake. Who would you love to reconnect with today? Let's honor them in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 6th to 10th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.